Hello everyone, today we have a very important question. How to make JetBooking working with all custom post type in WordPress. First we have a website here. Let's take a look for the installed plugin. We have now the Jet engine and we create a custom post type. It's called tables. And we have also JetBooking. Also we have a very professional plugin to unlock JetBooking to work in all custom post types at the same time, and we can find it here in tools. We have JetBooking custom post type. Let's take first a look here for the installed plugins. We have JetBooking. We have our plugin. It's called JetBooking Ultimate CPT for custom post types, and Jet Engine to create the custom post types. First, let's take a look for the plugin options. From Tools, I click on JetBooking CPT, and I found here all custom post type created. Let's uncheck all and click Save. Now I am going to JetBooking option and I will make the custom post type for booking is the default WordPress posts. From here it's already for posts. Now let's check the default WordPress posts from here. And when I click add new, I should found here the JetBooking option for booking. What about tables? We create by Jet Engine. Let's take a look. From tables, I will click here. Then add new. And as you can see, I can't find the JetBooking options here. Let's back to our plugin options. From Tool, I will click on JetBooking custom post type. Then I will choose the tables custom post type that I created by Jet Engine. Check here and save changes. If I refresh this tab or this page, I should find the JetBooking options. Let's try. And as you can see, we can find JetBooking options. Let's open the two post types to be sure it's work on all of them. I am here in posts and I can find the booking options, and here I am in tables and refresh this page and I can find this option for booking. Let's take a look for the third custom post type. It's called additional. I will click on it and add new. I can't find the JetBooking options. Let's apply the option for this custom post type. From custom post type options page, I will find this option for additional. Check it and save. Then I will refresh the page and we can find in additional the option for JetBooking. Thank you for watching. If you would like to try this plugin, you should contact us.